How they Rasta ya ramp with? Big bum buckler beef in a plate.
No.
Beef that boot, you can't tell me nothing.
No.
Beef that meat, this one a fuck up, you can't tell me nothing. Black beef.
I don't know why Popcaan don't leave the Rasta man them alone, you know, because a black bean burger, them I eat. Listen, man, I say why for eat, but you don't know the things that people. And I mean, that is option for vegetarians, you see me, I say. A Popcaan brother of the beef burger, or the beef patty, or the pony patty, in plate, I mean face, I mean, boy, people make sure to go up on my Boom Bye Bye channel to check out Popcaan suck pussy brother. Responding to him, yes, Popcaan brother breaks his silence after the sex tape leak, and Popcaan disown him. Also, Spice DJ this a Ricky Trooper, you see me, I say. You know what I mean? Boy. Anyway, people, let's start this review off the right way because trust, if it's not far from King Mix Up, it's not credit. Oh, I forgot to say boom. I'm bagger, I'm big up on myself with you because we got to get these daily updates. People, you know what? Let's just start off with that one, yeah. Because it's a serious matter. You see me? I say, I'm going to give you my opinion on this because, boy, teacher facing multiple sex charges with underage girls. Investigators combing through several videos and photos on a male educator phone to identify more victims. A teacher accused of reportedly engaging these such acts with underage female students at 2 high schools where he was employed has been jailed on over a dozen sex-related charges. You see me, I say red flag people. You know what I mean? This is disgusting. You know what I mean? A long time I might do this. You see me, I say, and honestly, people, our kids are not safe, you know. They're not safe in school with these type of predators, as you can see, and you know, with this bro godfish situation, we have to make the youths them for do school at home. Them not safe for them yard either because the predator live at them yard too, you know. You know what I mean? And I think this teacher was bribing kids with little foolishness. In return for sex, you know what I mean? Just warning y'all, man. Kids are not safe out here, you know. This is very disturbing, you know. And we know, say, I know just him one alone I do this, you know. I probably have female teachers that do this stuff too, you see me, I say. But when I give you that update, y'all, that one of them predators has been arrested. But this is not new to them, you know. They've been arrested 1 billion times and I'm still able to be around kids, you know. Boy. But anyway, let's proceed.
Master God put a track up on me. Cause he know say the devil want me. Where the him say no the whole army. So me God put a track up on me. Yeah, Father God put a track up on me. Hey, cause he know say Skatta want me. Skatta! How you stay so? You've been talking to my manager, right? I guess, nah. Don't sound been talking to my manager about coming on the gospel night. But oh dear you, I call me out for dancehall night. If you want your dancehall gospel, well, tell the boss to call my boss, yeah? Up there, yeah? I wonder if him can't call him, have to call my manager, yeah? Cause guess what? God know what you're up to. Master God put a track up on me, yeah? Cause he know said the devil want me, yeah? When the him send out him whole army, yeah? Father God him put a track, and that's why him put a track up on me. Cause I know what you're up to. It's not going to happen. Gospel night, you've been talking to my manager, Delroy Escoffrey. You, not you, but Joe. Tell Joe to call my manager. All right? Bless you.
Boy. Skatta Burrell, Chatter Burrell, as both would have say, you know. Hey, one thing me know, Joe, I spent a bag of money upon Reggae Sumfest that year, yeah, people, because so the show has been locked down for like 2 years. So I want all the top of top there, saying. Saying money already land, Shensi and Spice will be performing the same night. I know if him get Marianne Hall, Bumba Clad, yo. People putting out the comment section what you think about Lady Sard had to say about the situation. You know what I mean? We know so this guy to come out the other day and he's been coming out saying that she fell forward back and bless up my baby and all of these things for stop crime and all these stuff. You know I say, boy. But anyway, let us proceed. Okay, people. Visitors at Jamaica Zoo were on Friday left in a shock after witnessing a zoo attendant's finger being severed by a lion at the St. Elizabeth Bay attraction. The incident was captured on video, has since gone viral on social media. One of the visitors, who asked not to be named, said that the incident unfolded around 4:22 p.m. in front of at least 15 people. She said that the tour of the zoo was coming to an end, and when the zoo attendant, in an apparent effort to impress visitors, attempted to pet the lion. The man's right finger was reportedly partially bitten off after he stuck his hand through the chain link lion cage. When it happened, I thought it was a joke. I didn't think it was serious. I didn't realize the seriousness of it because it was their job, or it is their job, to put on a show, she said. Obviously, when he fell to the ground, everybody realized it was serious. Everybody started to panic, she added. The man screamed expletive. Maybe your bumba, your boss clad. The thing said as he wrestled to get his finger free from the lion's mouth. The visitor said the incident left some of the people, including herself, stunned. And I mean, the entire skin and about the first joint of his finger was gone. I ran away from the whole thing because Minna likes the blood and it was too graphic for me. The injured zoo attendant reportedly got up and walked to a vehicle before leaving the facility. His facial expressions when he was walking is like the pain never kicking, said the visitor. Located close to La Cova, west of Santa Cruz, the attraction has a wide range of animals, including llamas, zebras, monkeys, crocodiles, and toucans. When contacted mid-afternoon, on Saturday, a representative of the zoo said she was not aware of the incident. When contacted a senior police source, they said that they were not aware of the incident. Managing Director of Jamaica Society of Prevention and Cruelty, blah, blah, blue, Paula Lanson, the same gal that would want Ivani, said she will be looking into the incident. We will be going down there and I will be communicating with the National Environment and Planning Agency, who oversight Jamaican Zoo. Now, I don't know which lion was responsible for this, because, say, I told the Jamaica Zoo, Santa and Sainty, you see me, I say, but me not like me. See that white thing that pop off for the man, and me know, say, the skin get clean off, clean, down to the bone, you know what I mean? And just because I show off, the man might lose him job. You know what I mean? I might be handicapped for life, but you don't know what the thing said. When people think of zoos in Jamaica, them think of Hope Zoo, Kingston. You see me, I say? And they are denying and distancing themselves from the awful viral video of a lion being taunted by its keepers did not occur at Hope Zoo. We definitely do not condone the abuse of animals for the entertainment of guests. All of our zoo animals are like their family to us, and we constantly strive to keep them as relaxed and happy as possible. We would never stress our animals, you see me, I said, for the amusement of people. This post clearly shows our precious lions, Lucas and Jasmine, relaxing in their loving home at Hope Zoo. Please do not associate us with the disgusting and cruel actions of the present viral video. This goes against everything we stand for at Hope Zoo. Even the famous rapper Ice-T chimed in onto the Jamaican business. Because, he's not new to the Jamaican scene. If you know about New Jack City, he said, me, I said, but he said, I totally understand the line. I've been on social media for a minute. The F around and find out more. Boy. Anyway, people, put in the comment section what you think about this incident happening in Jamaica, of all places, Jamaica. Chano. Hey, let's proceed. Now, Dancehall Queen Spice relationship with Rasta is under the microscope again after pictures of the Rasta man on a possible date with someone that's not Spice. Yes, people, you know, we broke the news the other day that Spice and Rasta unfollowed them one another. And them Spice delete most pictures of the Rasta off of our IG page. I can't really remember if I seen any, but I think she deleted most of them. The Rasta not really in him feelings like that. Him still have up Spice youth them on our page, Nicola Taya and Nicholas and all of these things, you see me, I say. So, say our vibes that are going from long time for a while, because we haven't seen the two couple together. The two inseparable couple, Mrs. Spice and Yam Food with our dancers and all of these things and getting drunk and talking about her pum pum available and all of these things. So we don't know if this is just content for Love and Hip Hop. You see me, I say put in the comment section when Love and Hip Hop season both for wrap up. You see me, I say. But anyway, this is the picture that is circulating. Now, I'm no man expert, so I'm going to need my social media detectives putting in the comment section. First and foremost, is this the Rasta man? Listen, man, I say, it has been brought to my attention that a witness said that this is indeed the Rasta man and him. And the young lady came inside the establishment hand in hand. You feel what I'm saying? And they look very happy. Listen, me, I say, if it is the Rasta man, I don't think this is a sexual date. You see me, I say, from what I know about the Rasta man, him like him woman them heavy. You know what I mean? Because I know Spice mate, you see me, I say, and she's on the heavy side. I'm not talking about fat, Woman well tick up and things like Spice, you see me, I say. But then again, I can be wrong, you know what I mean? A lot of people saying this might be his daughter. You see me, I said, but the dimming of the line, I can't confirm or deny that, because we know, say, him have a daughter with a Spanish woman, and the daughter is pretty light-skinned, you see me, I say. And she look kind of dark-skinned, you see me. You know what I mean? The daughter is small in frame and all of these things. You see me, I say a lot of people said this might be Tahiri as well, because the way all the facial structures carve up, you see me, I say. But all me know, say, the people that might talk, the people that might talk and the people them saying it's not Rasta man's fault. We already told you, said that Rasta is seeing a wedding counselor because he might pop the question to Spice, because say him they run for 2 Christmas and you can't they run a woman and her kids for 3 Christmas and not put a ring on it, for sure you want committed to this, you see me, I say. Boy, but the people them must say Spice too bagger, and them say she stuff up like chicken and all of this. But nevertheless, people, I'm just giving them update what go on from what not go on. We haven't seen Rasta man. Rasta man has been missing in Ashcan for some time now. And the time him surface is with another woman. Like I said, this might be a season finale for Love and Hip Hop. He might pop the question to Spice on Love and Hip Hop and ask her for her hand in marriage. Anyway, people, let's proceed. And again, people, bless up on yourself on the Sunday. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest and dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.